Chapter 11 Perimeter and Area Part 3. Good morning, children. You know that a circle is the collection of all those points in a plane, each of which is at a constant distance from a fixed point in that plane. The fixed point is called the center, and the constant distance is called the radius of the circle. And you know that length of diameter is equal to 2 into radius. In this module, we shall learn about how to find out the perimeter and area of a circle. A racing track is semicircular at both ends. Can you find the distance covered by an athlete if he takes 2 rounds of a racing track? We need to find a method to find the distance around when a shape is circular. Circumference of a circle. The distance around a circular region is known as its circumference. We cannot measure the length of the circle or the circumference of the circle with the help of a ruler as it is not straight. But we can find the distance around a circular card by wrapping a string on the edge of the card and taking all around it. Thus, we notice that measuring distance around a circular object is very difficult, so we need some formula for finding this. Let us see if there is any relationship between the diameter and the circumference of the circle. For that, we have taken 6 different circles of different radii and we have found out the ratio of circumference and diameter. First circle is of radius 3.5 centimeter, correspondingly diameter will be 7 centimeter, and we found out its circumference by using a string and we got it as 22 centimeter, and we found out its ratio of circumference and diameter is equal to 3.14. Second circle is of the radius 7 centimeter and diameter will be 14 centimeter, and the circumference we measured and we got it as 44, and again the ratio we got it as 3.14. Similarly, we have taken 6 different circles of 6 radii and we got the ratio also. What do you infer from the above table? Is this ratio approximately the same? Yes. Can you say that the circumference of a circle is always more than 3 times its diameter? Yes, always we are getting it is almost equal to 3.14. This ratio is a constant and is denoted by pi. Its approximate value is 22 by 7 or 3.14. Thus, we have seen that pi is a ratio of circumference and the diameter of a circle, and pi is equal to circumference divided by diameter. As pi is a ratio, it is the same number for any circle regardless of its size. Formula for circumference of a circle. We have seen that C by D is equal to pi, where C represents circumference of the circle and D its diameter. By cross multiplication, we get C is equal to pi into D. You know that diameter is equal to 2 times radius. Therefore, instead of D, we can write it as 2R. Therefore, we got C is equal to pi into 2R, which is equal to 2 pi R. Therefore, the formula for finding out circumference of a circle is equal to 2 into pi into R. For any circle with a radius r, the circumference is equal to 2 into pi into r, where pi is equal to 22 by 7 or 3.14. Area of a circle. You know that area is the amount of surface enclosed by a closed figure. In some cases, we need to find out area of a circle. Thus, we need the formula for finding out area of a circle. For that, we have taken a circular piece and we can divide this circular piece into small sectors. And the same region we can rearrange into a rectangular form. Thus, we have seen that area of this circle is equal to area of the rectangle thus formed. You know that area of a rectangle is L into B or length into breadth. For this rectangle, what is the length of the rectangle? You know that the half of the circle we have arranged upward and half of the circle we have arranged downwards. Therefore, half of a circular ring, that is half of the circumference, is equal to pi r. That comes along its length. Therefore, length is equal to pi r and breadth is coming as the radius of the circle. Therefore, length of this rectangle is pi r and breadth of this rectangle is r. Therefore, area of this rectangle is equal to pi r into r, that is equal to pi r square. Thus, we have got the formula for finding out area of a circle is pi into r, otherwise pi r square. Let us discuss some example. Example 12. What is the circumference of a circle of diameter 10 cm? Take pi is equal to 3.14. Diameter of the circle is given, that is equal to 10 cm. You know that the circumference of the circle in terms of diameter is pi into d. Therefore, you can substitute the value as pi as 3.14 and d is equal to 10. Therefore, the answer is 3.14 into 10 is equal to 31.4 centimeter. So, the circumference of the circle of diameter 10 centimeter is 31.4 centimeter. Example 13. What is the circumference of a circular disc of radius 14 centimeter? The radius is given as 14 centimeter. Therefore, circumference of the disc is equal to 2 pi r is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 14 and we get it as 88 centimeter. Example 17. Find the area of a circle of radius 30 centimeter. Here radius is given r is equal to 30 centimeter. And we have to find out the area. You know that area of the circle is equal to pi r square. That is equal, pi value you can take it as 3.14 into r square. That is 30 into 30. And we will get the answer as 2826 centimeter square. Thus, we have seen that perimeter or circumference of a circle we can find out using the formula 2 pi r or pi into d, and area of a circle we can find out by using the formula pi r square, where pi is equal to 3.14 or 22 by 7. Thank you.